Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about applications of algorithms in computer programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Applications of algorithms in computer programming. Algorithms are set of rules and procedures that are used to solve a particular problem or accomplish a specific task. They play a critical role in computer programming where they are used to design and implement efficient and effective software systems. Here are some of the applications of algorithms in computer programming. Number 1. Sorting and searching. Algorithms are used to sort and search large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Sorting algorithms like quicksort, merge sort, and bubble sort are commonly used to sort data, while search algorithms like binary search and linear search are used to find specific data in a set of records. Number 2. Optimization. Algorithms are used to optimize processes, operations, and systems. For example, the simplex algorithm is used to optimize linear programming problems, while the gradient descent algorithm is used to optimize machine learning models. Number 3. Data analysis. Algorithms are used to analyze and process large datasets. Machine learning algorithms like decision trees, random forests, and neural networks are commonly used to analyze and predict patterns in data. Number 4. Cryptography. Algorithms are used in cryptography to secure data by encrypting it. Cryptographic algorithms like AES, RSA, and DES are used to secure data in transit and the rest. Number 5. Image and signal processing. Algorithms are used in image and signal processing to manipulate and analyze digital images and audio signals. Common algorithms used in these applications include Fourier transforms, wavelength transforms, and image segmentation algorithms. Number 6. Game development. Algorithms are used in game development to simulate game mechanics, physics, and AI behaviors. For example, pathfinding algorithms are used to enable AI characters to navigate game environments. Number 7. Simulation. Algorithms are used to simulate real-world phenomena like areas like physics, engineering, and finance. Monte Carlo simulation algorithms commonly used in financial modeling and risk analysis. Overall, algorithms are essential tools in computer programming, and their applications are widespread across various fields and industries. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about applications of algorithms in computer programming. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.